Good morning student, myself Amit Maheshwari and today I am going to start your new exercise that is 12.2. In exercise 12.1 you study how to find the area of a triangle. So if you have any triangle in which three sides are given, that is A, it is B, it is C. So first you find the value of A. S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. First you find the value of S, then you have to apply the Heron's formula. Then area of a triangle is equal to S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. Like that one you have to find out. But suppose if you have any quadrilateral, then how can you find the area of a quadrilateral? So for quadrilateral you have to join the diagonal. Now it will divide it into two triangles. Now find the area of the first triangle separately and area of the second triangle separately. In the last you have to add both of them. When you add first triangle and second triangle, then you will get the area of a quadrilateral. Like that one we have to solve. Now just look at the question number 1. A park in a shape of a quadrilateral. You have a one park. So you have a one park in a shape of a quadrilateral. ABCD has angle C is equal to 90 degree, AB is equal to 9 meter, BC is equal to 12 meter, CD is equal to 5 meter and AD is equal to 8 meter. How much area does it occupy? Okay, you have given a quadrilateral in which angle C is given, AB given, BC given, CD given and AD is equal to 8 meter given, and you have to find the area of the quadrilateral. Okay, so for the figure, just look at here. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is equal to 9 meter, AD is equal to 8 meter, DC is equal to 5, BC is equal to 12 and angle C is a right angle triangle. So since triangle ABCD, this one is a right angle triangle, so apply the Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square is equal to base square by perpendicular square. What is the hypotenuse here? That is BD. Right here BD as it is. What is the base? Base is BC and perpendicular is AC. So just DC square. Now put the value 12 square and 5 square, because the value of the base is 12 and value of the perpendicular is 5. You have to put this value. Now 12 square 144, 5 square 25. When you add it become 169. When this square comes this side become under root, so it become under root 169. So when you make a factor of 169, it become 13 into 13. And for solving in the under root, you have to take out the pair. So it is a 13 pair, it will come out. So what is the value of BD? BD is equal to 13 meter. So just write the value BD is equal to 90 meter. 13 meter, sorry. Now for the triangle BCD, it is the height, because it make an angle of 90 degree, and this is the base. You can apply the formula for the triangle as half into base into height. So area of the triangle BCD is equal to half into base into height. We apply this formula because in this question height is given, which makes the angle of 90 degree. If height is not given, then we have to apply the Heron's formula. So what is the base here? Base is BC, height is DC. Just put the value 12 and 5. 2 6 are 12, 6 5 are 30. So area of the BC triangle BCD is equal to 30 meter square. Area is always come in a unit square na. The unit is meter, so you have to put here meter square. Now in triangle BAD, just look at the other triangle BAD. There are three sides na, 9 meter, 8 meter, 13 meter. So three sides are given here. Just let them as ABC and then find the area by using Heron's formula. So just write in triangle BAD, let A is equal to 9 meter, B is equal to 8 meter, C is equal to 13 meter, then S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. When you add all the values, you will get 30 by 2. So finally you will get S is equal to 15 meter. Now by using Heron's formula, area of the triangle BAD is equal to S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Put the value of S 15, A value 9, B value 8 and C value 13. In this formula you have to put the value of S and ABC. When you put you will get here 15 as it is. Now 15 minus 9 becomes 6, 15 minus 8 7, 15 minus 13 2. Now just make a factor. Can we write here 15 as 5 3 is a 15? Then you have to write 5 into 3 in place of 15. Then in place of 6, 3 2s are 6, 7 as it is, 2 as it is. Now just make a pair. One pair of 3 make and one pair of 2 make, and 5 and 7 remain inside and in the under root. So 3 come outside, 2 come outside, and 5 and 7 remain inside. So what we will get here? 3 2s are 6 under root 35. So either you can left here and 6 under root 35 meter square, or in class 8 you have to study to find the square root by using long division method. So by long division method I am showing here the calculation. If you want, in class 8 you study to find the square root by using long division method. So by that method you find the value of under root 35. I am solving here under root 35. You will get here 5.9. You will get here 5.9 approx. So right here 6 into 5.9. So when you multiply you will get here 35.4 meter square. So this question you already solved in class 8. This is the question is about that one. You have to find the square root by using the long division method. I am going to explain in short about this method. Suppose 35 you have to find out. So first make a pair. Then write here 3 3s are 9, 4 4s are 16, 5 5s are 25. Then minus it will become what? 10. Then put the decimal. Write one pair here and put decimal here also and write 5 added. Like that one you have to solve now. It become 1000. Then again you have to solve. When you solve you will get here what? 5.9. So what is the area of the triangle BAD? 6 into 5.9 you will get a 35.4 meter square, because you have to put this value. If it is the question up to that point only, then you have to remain as it is, but it is not our final answer now. We get final answer by adding this two triangle. So you have to put you have to solve the value for 35 also. Now area of the quadrilateral ABCD. What is the area of the quadrilateral ABCD? You have to add both the triangle BAD and BCD. I am showing you in the figure. How you will get the area of both the full quadrilateral? You have to add this area of this triangle also and area of this triangle also. This triangle you have to find out half into base into height, and this you have to find out by using Heron's formula. So both you find now. So you add both triangle. This triangle also BCD and ABD. When you add both the triangle, you will get the quadrilateral. So you have to write here area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of the triangle BAD plus area of the triangle BCD. Just put the value of BAD and BCD. You will get here 65.4 meter square. Just write approx, because under root 35 value you put here in approx. Okay, that's why it approx means nearby value. So your answer is just about 65.4 meter square of the required quadrilateral. Now look at the question number second. Find the area of the quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is equal to 3 meter. Okay, AB is equal to 3 meter. It is given here. AB 3, BC 4, CD 4, DA 5 and AC 5. Now it is a quadrilateral ABCD in which all dimensions are given. Now just look here. This quadrilateral is made of two triangles. It is your first triangle, it is your second triangle. In first triangle you have all the side, three side now. In second also you have the three side. So you have to find the area by using Heron's formula separately, and then you have to, in the last you have to add. Then you will get the area of the required quadrilateral. Now for triangle DCA, just look at the DCA. It is 5, 4, 5 now. Three sides are there. Just let A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 5. For triangle DCA, you have to let A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5 and C is equal to 5. So what is the value of S? S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. When you put, you will get here 14 by 2. Then finally you get 7. So what is the value of S? 7. Now just find the area by using Heron's formula. Area is like that one. Under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Put the value of S, put the value of A, B and C. When you put, you will get here 7. 7 minus 4, 3. 7 minus 5, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. So what only 2 make it pair. So 2 come outside. This 2 come outside and 7 and 3 remain inside. The 7 3 is 21. So your answer is 2 under root 21 centimeter square. If question asks only about the area of this triangle, then you remain as it is. But you have to add this area to the other triangle to get the area of the quadrilateral. So you have to find the value of under root 21 by using long division method. I am also solving here. Like that one you have to find out, because it is a class 8 method. That's why I am only solving here. So what is the value of under 21? You will get here 4.58. When you convert this 4.58 to the significant figure, it becomes approx 4.6. Just multiply 2 into 4.6, you will get here 9.2 centimeter square. Approx means nearby value. Okay. So what is the area of the triangle DCA? 9.2 centimeter square. Now just for the triangle ABC, just see ABC. One side what? 3 and 4 and 5 now. Just let them ABC and then find the value of S, and then finally to find the area of the triangle by using Heron's formula. So for triangle ABC, A is equal to 3 centimeter, b is equal to 4, c is equal to 5. Just find the value of s. A plus b plus c by 2. Put the value, you will get here 6. Now area of the triangle ABC is equal to under root s minus a, s minus b, s minus c. Just put the value in the formula. In place of s you have to put 6, and in place of a you have to put 3, b 4, and c 5. When you solve, you will get here 3, 6 minus 3 3, 6 minus 4 2, and 6 minus 5 1. Now just do the factor. 3 2 just 6, then 6 into 6, 1 is useless. So what will you get here? Only 6 centimeter square. Now what is the area of the quadrilateral? Area of the quadrilateral is equal to area of the first triangle. I am writing here name triangle DCA, and here second triangle, that is triangle ABC. Now 9.2 plus 6, what will you get here? 15.2 centimeter square. It is the approx value, so you have to write here approx. Okay, so what is the area of the quadrilateral? 15.2 centimeter square. Now look at the question number third. Question number third is very lengthy question. Question like that one. Radha made a picture of an aeroplane with colored paper. Okay, as shown in the figure, find total area of the paper used. They have to make a one aeroplane. I am writing here one. It is a one type of color paper. I am writing here two second type color paper, third type color paper, fourth and fifth. If you see the question figure, I am showing you. In question figure, they have to show first one as a first part, and then second part, and then third part, and then fourth, and then fifth. But in my figure, what I do, I am just change the part name only. I am taking this one as first part, and then second part it is third, and it is fourth, and it is fifth. Like that one I solve. Okay, only part name are changed. So one girl Radha make this aeroplane by using different paper. So first part is made from different paper, second part made from different paper, third part different, fourth part different, fifth part different. They are all made from different paper. Now they are asking find the total area of the paper used. Total area, it means you have to find the area of the total figure. So this total figure is made up of why which one? It is the triangle, triangle, triangle. So it is made from three triangle. First triangle, second triangle, and third triangle. Okay, and you see this one is the rectangle, and this one is the trapezium. So how many figure? Three type of figure are there. First one is the triangle, three triangle are there. Second one is the rectangle, third one is the trapezium. So we have to find out the area separately, and the last we have to add all these five parts to get the required answer. Now I am making here a diagram. Just see, I am just changing the part name only. This one I consider as first part, this one first part, this one second, this one third. First I take all the triangle, and then fourth part I am taking the rectangle, fifth part I am taking the trapezium. I only change their part only. Okay, now this one is 5. Just see, this value is 5, so this value also equal to 5. Okay, and this is 6, then is also equal to 6. This whole value is 6.5, and the inside value is only 1.5. 1.5 means up to this only, and 6.5 means total. And if you came here, this side given as 1, this side given as 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 2. If this one is 1, then this also is 1. Okay, now for figure first, just take the figure first. For the first figure, just see, for the first figure, it is the first side, second side, third side. Three sides are there, na 5 5 1. So just find the area of the triangle first. So for the first triangle, A is equal to 5 centimeter, B is equal to 5 centimeter, C is equal to 1 centimeter. You have to write. Then find the value of S. That is S is equal to A plus B plus C by 2. Put all the value, we will get 11 by 2 centimeter. Now area of the first triangle, just apply the Helmholtz formula under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Put the value of S 11 by 2, A 5, B 5, and C 1. Now just solve. It is 11 by 2 minus 5. So can we put here 1? Now just do cross multiply. 11 ones are 11, 5 twos are 10, and 2 ones are 2. What will you get here on it? 11 minus 10, it is 1 upon 2. So you will get here 11 by 2 as it is. Here you get 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Here also you will get 11, 2 ones are 2, that is 9 by 2. Now just see, if you see here 11 by 2 as it is, 1 by 2 as it is, 1 by 2 as it is, can be 9, can we write 9 as 3 into 3. Now just see the upside, how many pair are there? One pair of 3, one pair of 1. Just write 3 into 1 upside. Okay, and this 11 remain inside, and the downside 2 pair of 2. So you have to write here 2 2 here. Okay, one pair come out for this 2, and one pair come out for this 2. So it become 3 by 4 under root 11 centimeter square. What will become 3 by 4 under root 11 centimeter square. It is the area of the first triangle. Okay. Now for the second and third triangle. Second and third I am taking separately because they are same. This also 6, this also 6. This also 1.5, this also 1.5. And actually this is a right angle triangle, because if it is an aeroplane then this line will be straight na. So it always make a 90-degree angle. So this is a right angle triangle, this is also a right angle triangle. So for the right angle triangle, base is 6 and height is 1.5. Base is height is 1.5. Okay, they both are same na. So we find the area of the only one triangle, and second we have to write the same by using half into base into height. So for figure second and third, base is 6 centimeter and height is 1.5. Like that one they are na. Like that one they are. So this is the base and this is the height. So base is 6 and height is 1.5. Okay. So area of the second triangle. What is the area of the second triangle? Half into base into height. So put the value of base 6 and height 1.5. Just cut 2 ones are 2, 2 3 is 6. That is, you have to multiply 3 by 1.5, 15, 3 is 45, 1 decimal you have to write. It becomes 4.5 centimeter square. As the dimension of the third triangle also same, so that is similarly, there is no need to calculate again. Area of the third triangle is equal to 4.5 centimeter square. Directly you can write because all dimensions are same. Now for the figure 4, just look at the fourth figure. Fourth figure is a rectangle na? This one is a rectangle as you see here. So in this rectangle, what is the length? Length is total, this one 6.5, and what is the breadth? Breadth is only 1. So right here, for the fourth part, length is 6.5 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter. So what is the area of the fourth rectangle? Length into breadth. The length is 6.5, 1 is the breadth, so you will get here 6.5 centimeter square. So finally you find the area of what? You have to find the area of the first triangle. This is the first triangle, second triangle, third triangle, and the fourth rectangle. Now I am going to find the area of the trapezium. So the area, to find the area of the trapezium, we have to understand this trapezium deeply. So I will make a one again diagram of this trapezium part only. So I make a trapezium here. It is 1, it is 1, it is 1, and total is 2. Total is 2. Now what you do, draw a line parallel to AD from C. You have to draw a line parallel to AD which intersect AB at E. So when you draw, it is 1, and this is also become 1. Okay, and this one is 1, so up to this one is also remain 1. As total is 2, so this part also become 1. Okay, but again I am to explain. Just draw the construction, draw a line parallel to AD which intersect AB at E. Then it is 1 now, so when you draw a line parallel to it, so it also become 1. As it is 1, so this part is also remain 1. Now total is 2, so this remaining part also equal to 1. Okay, so all of you know how I write here the values. So what you draw, CE parallel to DA which intersect AB at E, such that what is the value of CE? CE you will get here, CE, this one you will get here 1 centimeter, A you get here 1 centimeter, and EB also you get here 1 centimeter. Now just look at the triangle. For this triangle BCE, what is the value of it? Is the value first side, second side, and third side all are equal to 1 na. So just write here for triangle CEB, let A is equal to 1 centimeter, B 1 centimeter, C 1 centimeter. They all are equal to 1 now. What the value of S? You will get 3 by 2 by applying the formula A plus B plus C by 2. Now area of the triangle CEB, that is under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Put the value of S, 3 by 2, A1, B1, C1. So 3 by 2 minus 1 you will get only half. 3 by 2, that is we get half, half, half. So 3 remain inside, and this pair 1 2 pair and 1 2 pair they come outside. So that will become 1 pair outside, 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. Here also 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2. The heat take from here, and 3 remain inside. So it become under root 3 by 4. Under root 3 by 4. It is your first equation. You can also find, I am finding the area of this triangle by using Heron's formula, because all sides are equal, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. If you want, you can also find the area of this triangle by using area of the equilateral triangle, because all sides are equal now. So it is an equilateral triangle, and area of the equilateral triangle is equal to under root 3 by 4 into side square. It is the formula I am showing you here. Just see, area of equilateral triangle is equal to under root 3 by 4 into side square. If you know that formula, you can apply that one also. So it become under root 3 by 4, and the what is the side is 1, that is 1 square. So you will get here only under root 3 by 4. When you multiply 1, you get the same number. So what is the area under 3 by 4? So if you know the area of the equilateral triangle, if you know that formula, then you can apply this formula also. You will get here answer 3 under 3 by 4. If you don't know, just apply the Heron's formula. So for this triangle CBE, it is the A side, B side, all are equal na. I'm just applying the Heron's formula. When I apply Heron's formula, I will get the area is under root 3 by 4 only. So in that question, I also get 3 by 4, and by that method I also get 3 by 4. Both we get the same answer na. So if you remember Heron's formula, then you will solve by Heron's formula. And if you know area of the equilateral triangle formula, then you can solve by that formula also. Now just see here. Now for this triangle, you have to find the area na, and this one is the height. This one is the height. So if height is no, if you know the height, then you can also apply area of the triangle is equal to half into base into height. For this triangle, base is 1 and height is h. Okay. Now just write also area of triangle CEB is equal to half into base into height. It means you have to find the area of this same triangle by using two different formula. First, you have to find the area of this triangle by using Heron's formula or by using area of equilateral triangle. Secondly, you have to find the area of this triangle by using half into base into height, because you have to consider this one as a height, that is CL. Okay. So you also write also area of triangle CB is equal to half into base into height. Base you consider EB and height you consider CL. So it is half, base become 1 and height become h. Okay. What I am writing here from the figure, just see here. Base, what is the base? Base is 1 and height is h. Now area of the triangle you already find out now. So just write here half into base into height, then base 1 and height h. And what is the area of the triangle already find out? You already find out under root 3 by 4. Just look at the equation number 1. Area of the triangle CEB is equal to under root 3 by 4. So in place of area of triangle CEB, you have to write under root 3 by 4 using equation number first. You have to put this value from equation number first. Area of triangle CB you have to find under root 3 by 4. Now just do calculate. Under root 3 by 4 remain as it is. To come this side, here in divide, this side come in multiply, then cut 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. What is the height? Height you will get here under root 3 by 2. Height is under root 3 by 2. Now you get a one trapezium. Just see here. Actually it's a trapezium. It is the first parallel side P1, it is second parallel side P2, and this one is the height h. So in a trapezium, just remember class 8 question. If you have one trapezium, if you know the first side 2, second side 2, and height you find out under root 3 by 2, like that when you get the height now, whatever is the value. So if you know what, if you know P1 value, if you know P1 value and P2 value and h, then you have to apply the formula. Area of the trapezium is equal to half into sum of the parallel side into height. This is the formula now. So same I am going to apply here. Just see here, what is the first side? That is 1, parallel side second side is 2, and height you have to find out now. Okay. What is the height? Height you will get here what? Under root 3 by 2. Now area of the fifth trapezium, what is the trapezium? Half into P1 plus P2 into h. Half remain as it is. P1 value 1, P2 value 2, h is equal to under root 3 by 2. Now when you solve 2 plus 1, it becomes 3. So what is the answer? Answer is become 3 under root 3 by 4. 2 2 is what we get here 4. It is the under root 3 under 3 by 4 centimeter square. Now you have to find the area of all the 5 figure. 3 triangle, 1 rectangle and 1 trapezium. Now what is the total area? You have to add all one now. The total area of the paper used is equal to what? Area of the first figure, second figure, third figure, fourth figure and fifth figure. So first figure you have to find out what? Under root 3 by 4, 11. Here 4.5, 4.5 both are same. Rectangle 6.5 and trapezium 3 under root 3 by 4. Now what you just add? Just write the under root value together, and 4.5, 4.5 become 9, it is 6.5. When you add 6.5 to 9, it becomes 15.5. Now in this value you have to take out 3.4 common. So under root 11 and under root 3. Now you have to find both the value by using long division method from class 8. So you will get here under root 11 value 3.316, under root 3 value will get here 1.732. I am not going to explain how to find this value because in class 8 you already done all this question. Okay. So under 3 by 4, when you add this all this value, will get here 5.048. Now just cut by 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 ones are 4. Dot carry 1. 4 twos are 8. Carry 2. 4 6 are 24 and 4 twos are 8. So finally you will get here 1.262. When you multiply it by 3, you will get here 3.786 plus 15.5. Now when you add, finally you will get here 19.286 centimeter square. It is your answer. If you want to convert into a round figure, so it will become only 19.3 centimeter square. So total area of the paper is what? 19.3 centimeter square. It is the approx value. Okay, hope all of you understand that question. Now today's last question. A triangle and a parallelogram have the same base and the same area. One triangle and one parallelogram have the same base and the same area. If the side of the triangle are 26, 28, 30 and the parallelogram stand on the same base 28. Okay, one side is common, that is 28. 28 is of the triangle also and parallelogram also. Then find the height of the parallelogram. Both area are equal. So I am making a one diagram here. First I make a one triangle ABC. First we make a one triangle ABC. So it is 26, it is 30 and this one is 28. And on the same base 28 you have one parallelogram. So just draw one parallelogram like that one. So if it is 28 then this also become 28 because in parallelogram both sides are equal. And this one is the height. Okay. Now just given that area of this triangle is equal to the area of the parallelogram. What is the area of the parallelogram? Base into height. So base is 28, height you have to consider as h. Now you have to find the height of the parallelogram. Now for triangle ABC, just let A is equal to 26, B is equal to 28, C is equal to 30. Now find the value of S, that is A plus B plus C by 2. Just add all this value, you will get here 84 by 2, that is 42 centimeter. Now area of the triangle ABC, that is under root S, S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Put the value of S 42, A 26, B 28 and C 30. So finally we will get here 42, 16, 14, 12. Now just do the factor 42. 7 6 are 42. Just write here 7. In place of 6 you have to write here 3 into 2. So 7 6 are 42. 16 you have to write here 4 into 4. 14, 7 to the 14. 12, 4 3 is a 12. It has 2 to the 4 and 3 4 is a 12. Now just make a pair. 1 7 2 7, write 2 7 together. 1 4 2 4 2 4 together. 1 3 and 2 3 2 3 together. And 2 2 2 together. 1 2 total 4 2 are there na? Okay, just write 4 2 together. Now just make a pair. One pair of 7, one pair of 4, one pair of 7 4 3, two pair of 2. Now just write one outside. 7 4 3 2 2. Now just multiply. 7 4 the 28, 3 to just 6 to the 12. 28 multiply by 12. When you multiply you will get here area of the triangle ABC is equal to 336 centimeter square. Now according to the question it is given that area of parallelogram is equal to area of the triangle. It is given that both area are equal na? So area of parallelogram is equal to area of the triangle. Area of the parallelogram is half into base and it is already you have to find out from equation number first. Now base it is ED, height you don't know, it is BG. What is the base here? 28 because they have the same base 28 and height you have to write h. So when you find the value of h, this 28 come this side in divide. When you divide 336 by 28 you will get here 12. So what is the height? Height is 12 centimeters. So you have to write here height of the parallelogram is equal to 12 centimeter. Hope all of you understand all the question. If you have any doubt in this 4 question, you can ask me now. Remaining 5 question I will continue in my next class. Thank you.